Student, today we will do the MCQs of the chapter 2, the Pythagoras theorem. See the question number 1. It is given that ABC right angled at A, C at A it is 90 degree. It is given AB is C, BC is A and AC is B. So according to this right angle triangle, the formula is A square is equal to B square plus C square. So this is the correct option. Second, for the right triangle ABC, C, B is given. See in the figure, C is the hypotenuse, B is base and A is altitude. So apply the formula and just solve this. Square root of 41 square minus 9 square, you will get 40. Third, perimeter of rectangle are given. You have to calculate the perimeter of rectangle whose one side 12 and diagonal 20. So draw the figure of rectangle ABCD. Now diagonal. So see, you can easily see that in triangle ABD the 20 is representing as the hypotenuse. See, just see the half one, it is the hypotenuse. So write the formula, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square by Pythagoras theorem. Now substitute all the values. Just calculate the altitude, x is 16. Now we have to calculate the perimeter of rectangle. 2 into L plus B, put the value of length 12, breadth 16, solve it. 56 centimeter is your answer. Student, write formula in each question. I am writing here only one time, but you have to write in each and every question hypotenuse square, base square plus altitude square and in bracket by Pythagoras theorem. Next question, a 10-meter ladder is placed against the wall such that foot of the ladder is 6 meters away from the wall. So you have to calculate the height of the wall. See, this is the ladder, this is the wall and it is 6 meters away from the foot of the ladder is 6 meters away from the wall. So again, see, this is hypotenuse, base, altitude. Apply the formula, write the formula also, just substitute the values. 8 meters will be the answer. Next, 5. Which number form a Pythagorean triplet? You have given 24 and 26. Just do the square. 24, 576, 26, 676. If we add 576 plus 100, 676, we will get the same. And square root of 100 is 10. So this is the answer. The side length of 4 triangles are given with the side lengths of 4 triangles. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 are below. Which set of length can the side of a right triangle? For the side of the line triangle, A square plus B square should be equal to C square. So check all these. So see the B part, 5 square 12 square 169, 13 square 169. So that means answer is B. 7th, which set of length can we form the side of an obtuse triangle in question 6? Now for the obtuse triangle, you know the condition is hypotenuse square is greater than base square plus altitude square. So just check it. In the C part, 7 square plus 12 square is 144, 49, 193 and C square is 16 square, that is 256. So what is the answer? It is C for the question number 7. Next question number 8. 2 trees 7 meter and 4 meter high stand up right on the ground. See, 2 trees 7 meter 4 meter are stand up on the ground and they are 4 meter up. Their distance between them is 4 meter. So you have to calculate the distance between their tops. So what you have to do, first of all, just make a parallel line. Make a parallel line of B through BC. ED, join this. This is 4. This is 4. This complete is 7. This is 4. So what is A? This, only this part. See. Now we will take only this triangle. 7 minus 4, 3. This is 90 degree. So that means you have to calculate the hypotenuse. Let AD is x. So that means you have to calculate the hypotenuse. Substitute the values. Write the formula. You will get the answer. In these questions, figures are very compulsory to draw. 9th, the length of a right triangle measures 3x and 15x. If the hypotenuse is 3x plus 3, what is the value of x? Write the formula first, substitute all the values. Student, in your chapter 5, you have read the identity A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2ab. So you have to use the identity here, 9x square to 25. Solve it, you will get the value of x. Next, 10th. Suppose a number ABC form a Boolean Pythagoras triplet, which of the following set of number is also. We have done this type of question in the exercise also. If we multiply by the same number in all the side, then they still form the Pythagorean triplet. So according to this will be the answer. 11th, a shell is an isosceles right triangle, longest side is root 98. See, it is isosceles right triangle, longest side root 98. Since it is isosceles, so each equal side will be x. So you have to calculate x again. X square root 98 square. As you know, if we take the square of any square root number, you will get the same. So solve it, x will be 7. Next, a pole is broken at height of 15 meters from the ground and its top touches the ground at a distance of 8 meters from the base of the pole. Find the original height of the pole. See, this is a complete pole and it breaks down up to the 15 meter. So this part broke down and then touches the ground. So if its complete distance is x, now this is y, this is 18. We have to know the value of y. This is 18. Now you can easily calculate x. Again, use the formula and use it. Now square root of x square is 468. Square root of x is square root of 468. Just do the factors. So whenever you will factorize it, take 1 2 from here, take 1 3 from here. So 2 3 is 6, root 13 is your answer. Now in the figure B, you have to calculate xy. See, this is one triangle and this is another triangle. So in triangle PQR, we know this is 10, this is 26. We can easily calculate x in triangle PQR. It is 24. Now in triangle this complete is 29. This is 26. Sorry, x is 24. This is 24. So this is 24. This is complete 29. So what is TV? 29 minus 24 is 5. Now again in RTV, we know this side, we know this side. So we can calculate easily y. Okay. Now the last question of this exercise. Two poles of two poles of 15 and 23 meter height stand up. See, this is 23 meter pole, this is 15 meter pole. Stand up upright on a plane. The distance between them is 17. This is 17. So you have to calculate distance between their bases. This is x. So this is x. This is 23. See, this is 23. This is 15. So what is AE? 23 minus 15, 8. This is 8. This is 17. This is x. So this is x. So you can easily calculate x. So x will be 15 meter. So student, this chapter has done. Complete the video work in your classwork note. So okay students, bye bye.